Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will start the exercise 4.3. The remaining questions are 4.3. Okay. So question number 3. There are two parts in question number 3. The first one, find the roots of the following equations. Okay. X minus 1 by x by 3. So this quadratic equation not given in standard form. So first we will make as a standard form. So take LCM x, then 1x. So x into x square minus 1 is equal to 3 as it is. Then cross multiplication, x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. 3x will come to the left side, x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now it is standard form. So a is equal to a, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to minus 1. So by using quadratic formula, you can use here any one of the formula among three methods. I already explained, we already discussed in my previous classes. Okay. So by using quadratic formula, we know that x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac in root by 2a. So what is b? Minus 3. So minus 3 and minus sign according to formula. Then plus minus in a root b square minus 4 into a into c, 4ac by 2 into a, 1. Okay, so minus minus plus, so plus 3 plus minus 9 plus 4. Okay, 3 3 is 9 and this 4 1 is 4 plus का हो जाएगा. Then 3 plus minus root 13 by 2. We can write x is equal to 3 plus root 13 by 2 or 3 minus root 13 by 2. Once we will take as a positive sign and once we will take as a negative sign. So there are two distinct real roots. Okay. So these are the roots of the given equation. X minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Okay. Now second part. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So first we will solve left side. Okay, take LCM x plus 4 into x minus 7. This is LCM. Okay, x plus 4 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे LCM को, कैंसिल x minus 7 1 में मल्टीप्लाई होगा. देन माइनस x by 7 से x by 7 को डिवाइड कर देंगे तो x plus 4 बचेगा. ओके, अब यहाँ पर एक चीज़ आपको ध्यान देना है, माइनस 1 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड इन x plus 4. सो माइनस x माइनस 4 दोनों माइनस के हो जाएंगे. ओके, देन x x कैंसिल इक्वल टू 11 by 30. सो माइनस 4 और माइनस 7 माइनस 4. ओके, माइनस 11 बाई ओपन दिस ब्रैकेट x स्क्वायर माइनस 7x प्लस 4x माइनस 28 इक्वल टू 11 by 30 will come. Okay, then x square minus 7x plus 4x, that means minus 3x is equal to minus 28 is equal to minus 30 because 11 cancel. Okay, and this minus sign is transposed to this side. Okay, minus 30 or we can say cross multiplication simply. Okay, you can solve according to you. ठीक है, दोनों तरफ 11 न्यूमरेटर में है, कैंसिल. ठीक है, या यूं कहें कि इसका रेसिप्रोकल इसको ऊपर ले गए, 30 को ऊपर ले गए. ठीक है, और 11 दोनों तरफ से कैंसिल हो गए डिनोमिनेटर के, और जो माइनस साइन था वो इस तरफ ट्रांसपोज कर दीजिए. ठीक है, या इन सबको माइनस कर दीजिए, इसको प्लस कर दीजिए, आएगा वही, आप चेक कर सकते हैं. ओके, then x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 30. Minus 30 will come to the left side. So x square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 plus 30 minus 28 will come plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so very easy and simple equation we get. Okay, x square, sorry, okay, x square plus 3x minus 3x, not minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So by factorization method, splitting the middle term, okay, multiplication must be 2x square and sum should be minus 3x. Okay, so we will take minus 2x and minus x. Sum will be minus 3x and product is equal to 2x square, right? Okay, so we will take x common from here. So x in bracket x minus 2 minus 1 we will take from here to minus 1, x minus 2 will be left. From whole x minus 2 is common, what is left? X minus 1. So from first bracket x is equal to 2, from second bracket x is equal to 1. So 2 and 1 the roots of the given equation. Okay, so I hope you understand. This is your final answer. Okay. Okay, question number 4 to last, whatever given in your exercise, all are words problem. Okay, so I will explain all together in my next classes, right? Okay, so few questions in exercise 4.4. so there are 3 questions of word problem. So word problem I will explain all together. Okay, question number 1 and 2 I will explain in my this class only from exercise 4.4. ओके, मैं सभी वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम 4.3 के 4.4 के एक साथ एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगा नेक्स्ट क्लास में. ओके ओके, quadratic equation we know that standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has two distinct real root when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 or discriminant is greater than 0, then you will get two distinct real root. ये मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही आपको बता दिया था बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द एक्सरसाइजेस, बिगिनिंग इटसेल्फ आई एक्सप्लेन. ओके, second point, two equal real roots. If discriminant equal to 0 means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. If the discriminant is equal to 0, then you will get two equal real roots. Okay, the third condition is no real roots. If there are no real roots, the condition means discriminant is less than 0 means negative, means if the value of b square minus 4ac will be negative, then we can't find the real roots. So you can write there no real roots exist. Okay, okay, exercise 4.4. so in question number 1 is asking we can find the real roots or not. It is possible, the given conditions are possible or not. Okay, so let us start. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. You already know that the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a 2, b minus 3, c 5. Okay, and discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac, we know that. Okay, so find the discriminant. Minus 3 square 4 into a means 2 into c means 5. So 3 3 is 9 minus 40, so minus 31. Here you can say b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means negative, discriminant is coming negative, less than 0. So there are therefore no real roots are possible, so no need to find. Okay, we can't find here the real roots. Okay, one more part I taken for you. 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. We know that b square minus 4ac. So b square means minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into 3 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48 and 4 4 is 16 3 is 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, if discriminant is 0, then you know the condition. Therefore, two equal real roots are exist. So by using quadratic formula, x equal to minus b plus minus b square and minus 4ac means d. You can write directly d here, root d by 2a. So minus 4 root 3 plus minus 0, because we already find the discriminant. So no need to find again, you can write directly. So again minus plus 4 root 3 by 2 by 2 into 3. ओके, सो 2 से हमने 4 को कैंसिल कर दिया, 2 2 जा 4. सो 2 रूट 3 बाई 3 ये आया ना, और 2 डिस्टिंक्ट रियल रूट आएंगे तो इसी को दोबारा लिख दीजिए. मीन्स 2 रूट 3 बाई 3, 2 रूट 3 बाई 3. ओके, दीज आर दी रूट्स ऑफ द गिवन इक्वेशन, राइट? Okay, I hope you understand. Now, one more part. Two x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. A is equal to 2. B is equal to minus 6. C is equal to 3. Discriminant we know that b square minus 4ac. Okay. So b square means minus 6 square, 4ac means minus 4 into 2 into 3. So 36 minus 24 is equal to 12. Here we can say b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So therefore two different real roots are exist. So by using any formula you can find the roots. Okay. So by using quadratic formula, or you can use completing the square method or factorization method, means splitting the middle term. Okay, so here I will use quadratic formula, and quadratic formula we know that x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac are discriminant by 2a. So minus 6 plus minus, we already find the discriminant root 12. Okay, by 2 into 2 means 2a. So 6 plus minus 2 रूट 3 रूट 12 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, रूट 4 इंटू 3, और 4 का रूट क्या हो जाएगा 2. सो 2 रूट 3, राइट? ओके, सो 6 प्लस माइनस 2 रूट 3. फ्रॉम हियर फ्रॉम द न्यूमरेटर वी कैन 2 take as a common. So 3 plus minus root 3 will left, and downside 2 into 2, 1 2 cancel. So 3 plus minus root 3 by 2. So once we will take as a positive sign, एक बार हम positive sign ले लेंगे. So 3 plus root 3 by 2, x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2, and x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are the real roots of the given quadratic equation. Did you get me? I hope you understand. Now, question number 2. In question number 2, find the value of k according to the given condition. The first part is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0 for two equal real roots. We know that for two equal real roots means d is equal to 0, discriminant is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to k, and c is equal to 3. Okay, so using d square minus 4ac is equal to 0, because two equal real roots the condition is given. So k square, what is the value of b? K square means b square minus 4 into what is a 2 and what is c 3. So k square minus 24 is equal to 0. then 24 will come to the right side, then k square is equal to 24 and k is equal to root 24, right? So k is equal to plus minus 2 root 6, because 24 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 24 रूट 4 इंटू 6, ओके। 4 का स्क्वायर रूट और 2 आएगा बाहर, तो बाहर 2 हो जाएगा, 2 रूट 6 बनेगा। सो प्लस माइनस 2 रूट 6, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ k. Got it? Okay. The second part exactly same as a previous one. Kx x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Kx square, open the bracket, means kx square minus 2kx plus 6. Now this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. So for two equal real roots, we already know that the discriminant must be equal to 0. Then only you will get two equal real roots. Okay. So a is equal to k. Here you can see a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 2k, b is equal to minus 2k, then c is equal to 6. आपको पता है जो x स्क्वायर के साथ होता है वो a होता है, जो x के साथ होता है वो b होता है, जो सिंगल होता है वो c होता है, ओके। देन b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 0 एंड व्हाट इज b, माइनस 2k. सो b स्क्वायर minus 4ac, 4, what is a, k, and what is c, 6. So minus 4 into k into 6 is equal to 0. So 2 to 4k square, okay, after opening the bracket, then 4 6 24k, minus 24k is equal to 0. We will take 4k as a common, okay, 4k as a common from here. We will take 4k as a common. What will left here? Only k, and here only 6, okay. So 4k is equal to 0. There are two parts now. 4k is equal to 0, 4k is equal to 0, then k is equal to 0 by 4. 4k is equal to 0, then k is equal to 0 by 4, means k is equal to 0. So finally we can say k is equal to 0. One more part, k minus 6 equal to 0. So 6 will come to the right side as a positive sign. So k is equal to 6. So value of k is equal to 0 and 6. So the final value of this question, k is equal to 0 and 6. I hope you understand. So kindly go through your notebook and complete your notebook till here, okay. Words problem from exercise 4.3, from question number 4 onwards, and 3 question of this exercise, okay. उसके पहले की वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम और इस एक्सरसाइज के वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम मैं एक साथ नेक्स्ट क्लास में कंप्लीट करवा दूंगा, ठीक है। समझ में आ गया ना? लेकिन यहाँ तक नोटबुक आप ज़रूर कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा। सो आई थिंक इट इज़ सफिशिएंट फॉर टुडे। द रिमेनिंग पोर्शन वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम I will explain in my next video, okay. So if any other doubt you can ask me, no problem, I will explain again, but you have to do till here, okay. So I think it is sufficient for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.